Curious about how we make our tools? Well, let's take a behind-the-scenes look at a couple of the steps needed to make the Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL. Here, we're milling the XL version out of solid blocks of aircraft-grade aluminum, over at one of our state-of-the-art CNC machines. Another CNC is working on the smaller pocket compasses. And after milling wraps up, the operator checks the parts for accuracy. On the other side of the shop, our laser engraving department works around the clock to engrave the tools. And from here, the pocket compasses are assembled, packaged, and shipped out. Stay tuned for more production updates and behind-the-scenes action.